Okay, assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you, everybody? I think all of you are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. Today, I am going to start exercise 7 of your textbook, mathematics, obviously, since I take generally your math class. I think you will be highly benefited if you be with me at the end of the class. Today, we are going to learn exercise 7, geometry. Here, we will solve construction-related different types of problems. And we are going to start from first. I think you know different types of basics, fundamental rules. All of them are known to you because in half-yearly exam, we have completed them. Today, we are going to start annual exam. This is the first class of geometry of annual exam related syllabus. So we're going to sharing the screen so that you can understand it properly. So inshallah, you will be benefited. And at the end of the class, I will give you some homeworks and you will try to complete them at your home. They are very much easy for you. So I think all of you will be able to solve them. So exercise 7 says, first there are some MCQ related maths, and then construction, and then theorem related exercise and extra that we know, and we will solve them serially. Okay, so number 1 says, what is the measure of supplementary angle of 28 degrees? Measurement of supplementary angle. Okay, I am giving the screen share, then you will see the book here. Okay, I think you are going to see the textbook. So you can see number 1, exercise 7, number 1. What does number 1 say? What is the measure of supplementary angle of 28 degrees? Supplementary angle of 28 degrees is very much easy to know, because you know that if sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then one is called supplementary to other. So who can tell me what is the supplementary of 28 degrees? Tell me the answer.
152 degrees.
See now, 152 degrees.
152
degrees. 152 and 28.
152 degree.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Very easy. Part 1, answer is C. Okay, I am showing you by annotation here. Part C is correct. So we can give a tick marks here. You can also tick marks it, and you can write down the answer also in your answer script. Okay, part number 2. What is the measure of the vertical opposite angle of 37 degrees? Okay, it's very easy. All of you know. I know all of you.
37 degree.
37 degrees.
B
37 degrees.
7 degree.
I want to know different thing from you. Can anyone tell me what is the definition of vertical opposite angle?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. Okay, give us the definition. So,
by the opposite rays of the sides of an angle, the opposite rays of the opposite angle of the angle.
that is, you can see the screen share. We have drawn two intersecting lines. If two intersecting lines intersect at a single point, then at this single point, 4 angles are produced. You can see there are 4 angles are produced, and two opposite angles are called vertical opposite to each other. That is, suppose this is A, this is angle A, and this is angle B. Angle A and B are called vertically opposite angle. Okay, so the vertical opposite angle are produced by two rays, intersecting two rays, and their intersecting point, the 4 angles that are created, the alternate 2 angles are vertically opposite to each other. Okay, thank you, Nafis, for your good answer, good response. So its answer will be 37 degrees. So answer B is correct. Now, number 3. What is the sum of 2 angles complementary to each other? Complementary to each other. Who will tell me the answer?
90 degree.
Sir, 90 degrees.
90 degree. Obviously 90 degree.
90 degree.
Can
90 degrees.
you tell me the definition of complementary angle? Mumtaha?
Yes, sir. So when the sum of two adjacent angles are 90 degrees, then those two angles are complementary.
Good, very good answer. If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then one is called complementary to other. So answer 3 will be C. 90 degree. Okay. 4. If one of the three angles of a triangle is 45, what will be the another greater angle? One of the three angles. You know, in any triangle, there are three angles. And there are three angles. The question says, one of the three angles of a triangle is 45. So, if one angle is 45, then what will be the another greater angle? Okay, think about the answer. I will solve it, but at first I want to know it from you.
Sir, 90 degree.
1,
90 degree.
Sir, 90 degree.
90 degree. Okay.
90 degree.
90 degree. One of the three angles. Okay. We'll draw a triangle at first. For better understanding, we will draw an angle. We will draw a triangle at first. Suppose it is a triangle. Sorry. Again, I am drawing. Let us draw a triangle here. Suppose this is a triangle, and the question says one of three angles is 45. This is 45. Suppose this angle is 45 degree. So if it is 45 degree, so another two angles, sum of another two angle will be 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45. That is, if one angle is acute, then sum of two angles, one will be, sum of two angles must be less than 180, because sum of three angle is 180. So another one angle can never be 180 because one angle is 45. So part A can never be 360, wrong answer. Part B can never be 180, wrong answer. Okay. And part C and D, you have to select the best answer. Part from C and D. The question says which one will be the greater angle. Since greater says, so it obviously it will be 90 degree. Otherwise, you cannot find out. Okay, so part C is correct. Okay, number 5. Number 5 says, in case of construction, what is given is called theorem. What is given? First of all, you have to think about it. Okay, what does the question say? What is given is called theorem. What is to do is drawing. To construct logically is proof. Okay. Can anyone tell me? What do you think about it?
2 and 3.
What is
2
given?
and 3.
2 and 3.
Theorem? No.
2
Theorem
and
is
3.
what is to be proved. What is to be proved is theorem. Okay. So what is to do is drawing. Okay. We have to, in case of drawing, we have to draw something, you know. If the question says to draw a triangle, to draw a quadrilateral, then we need drawing. That is, what is to do by us is drawing. It's obviously correct. And to construct logically is proof. Okay. It's also correct because if we want to draw something, if we want to prove something, and if we want to construct something logically, the items that is solved logically is obviously it is proved. So 2 and 3 will be correct. Yes, 2 and 3 is available in part C. So here part C is correct. Okay, 2 and 3. Now another question, number 6. You see a figure is given. Here some vertical opposite angles are shown. You see there are A, B, C, 3 unknown angles are present, and 2 known angles are also given, 50 degree and 40 degree. Okay, so we have to answer question number 6 to 8, 6, 7, 8. And first kind of question is called situation set questions. All of you know, I think, situation based question. MCQ types are 3 types. There are 3 types of MCQ. Number 1 is general type MCQ, which is discussed sometimes before. And 1 to 4, all are general type MCQ. Here I repeat it for your better understanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are general type MCQ because there are only 4 options and there is only one correct answer. In this this type of questions are called general type MCQ type question. And number 5, can you tell me what is the name of the question of number 5? What type of questions is it? Number 5. Can anyone respond?
Sir, multiple or completion type.
Multiple completion type. Okay, who gave the answer? Excellent answer.
Sir.
What's your name? Tasin?
Yes, sir.
Tasin. Okay, okay. Very good. Very good boy, Tasin. Okay. So multiple completion type question. Because the question has been ended with multiple answers. If any MCQ questions ends with multiple answers, then it is called multiple completion type question. Because here two answers are correct. Okay. So if in any kind of questions, if there are more than one correct information, then it is called multiple completion type question. So 5 is multiple completion type related, and number 6 is situation set type questions. Okay, situation set, that is a situation will be given, and from this situation we have to take some decision. So such kind of questions is called situation based question. So number 6, who can tell me the answer of number 6?
Sir, 40.
40 degree.
40 degree.
Angle
Sir,
A
40
equals
degree.
Angle A, very easy. Angle
Sir,
A
40 degree.
After 7 and answer 90 degree.
are vertical opposite to each other. Angle A and 40 degree are vertical opposite to each other. That's why it is called 40 degree and A are vertical opposite. So angle A will be 40 degree. So its answer is its answer is now 7. A plus B equal. A plus B
90 degree. 90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree.
And these angles are vertically opposite to each other. So B is 50 and A is 40. So A plus B 90. Good. Very good. Okay, very easy. Okay. Now number 8. Number 8. Who will tell me? Number 8.
90 degree. 90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree.
Number 8. C.
90 degree.
C. Okay. You know, in a straight line, 180 degree angle is produced. That is, in every straight line, 180 degree lies. So, angle ACB, if we join the triangle, that is angle A plus angle C plus angle B. If we join the three angles, we will get a straight angle. This is a straight angle because it is a straight line. So ABC, sum of 3 is equal to 180. But A and B, their sum is 90. So C must be 90. So number 8, answer A is correct. Okay, so we have completed 1 to 8, and all of them are very easy to you. I think all of them. Now we will solve number 9. Number 9 says, with the help of a protector, what can be done? Can you tell me, anyone? Without touching.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
What kind of question is it?
1 and 2.
Multiple
Multiple
completion.
completion.
General type.
Multiple completion.
Multiple
Multiple completion. Good, very good. Multiple completion type question. Again, we can see a multiple completion type question. So here the question says, with the help of protector, what can I do? 45 degree angles can be drawn. Obviously, you can draw 45 degree angles by the help of protector. That is, by the help of protector, any angle can be drawn. Very easily, we can draw different types of angle by using protector. So 45, we can obviously draw it. 155 degree angle can be drawn here. It is also correct. You can draw 155 degree angle also. A circle can be drawn with the help of protector. Which one is correct? Can you tell me? Can I draw a circle with the help of
No,
protector?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
We cannot draw a
No,
circle.
sir.
To draw a circle, we need compass. Okay, we need pencil compass to draw a circle. So 1 and 2 is correct. 1 and 2 part A. So number 9, part A is correct. So we have successfully completed number 1 to 9, all types of MCQ related question. Now we are going to solve construction. Okay, number 10 says, use a ruler, draw a line segment of 8 centimeters, and use the ruler and compass, make it a line segment. It's very easy. We will not solve it in our class. We we will solve different difficult types of math. It's very easy. You have already done them in your textbook related example. Such kind of constructions are available, and you solve them during your half yearly exam. But the difference is that here the length is mentioned. Okay, the maths that are solved in your textbook here, there was not any specific length mentioned, but here length is mentioned 8 centimeters. Just by using ruler, you will take 8 centimeters line. You will take, I am showing this by annotation. You will take an 8 centimeter line. Suppose this line is 8 centimeters. This line is suppose 8 centimeters, and you will take the proper measure. Okay, you will take the proper measure of 8 centimeter line. You will give a name here. Suppose it is A. You will give a name. Suppose it is AB. You can give another name also. AB. Suppose it is AB, and you have to draw a copy of it. Copy of it means you will draw another line which will be same as. Sorry, we have to take straight line. We have to draw straight line. I'm erasing this. Straight line. You have to draw another line which will be also 8 centimeter long. You can give a name CD here. You can give a name CD. So CD will be equal to 8 centimeter, and it will be the copy of CD. Okay, just you will write down in your construction part. In particular, you can write let AB is a line segment which is equal to 8 centimeter in length. We have to draw a copy of it. So in construction part, you can write down. We take another line CF. First, you will say we take another line any length. One of you is talking. Please stop talking. Don't talk in the class. Okay, I'm meeting you all. Don't be unmute without my permission. Okay. Okay. So CF, we take another line CF of any length, centering at C. Okay, and taking radius equal to AB. We draw an arc, or we draw an arc on CF, which is CD. So CD will be equal to 8 centimeter, and it will be copy of AB. And by this way, you will solve number 10. Okay, so it's very easy. I think you can solve them, all of them. Number 11 says, draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter by ruler. Use the ruler and the compass to bisect this line segment. Okay, measure the length of the segment and verify whether they are equal or not. Very easy also. Just you have to draw a 6 centimeter line by using ruler. So use the ruler and compass, bisect them. Suppose this is 6 centimeter long line. You will take a line of 6 centimeter long. It should be straight. Sorry, I erased it first. We will take a straight line. You will take a straight line here. Suppose this is a 6 centimeter long line. You will give the name. Suppose we give it name AB. You will give the name AB. Then using ruler and the compass to bisect the line segment. We have to use the compass here to bisect it. That is, I am showing you the process here, because we don't have a compass to our hand now. That's why it is not possible to use compass now during recording. But I can give you the practical experience. Okay, by screen sharing option, we will bisect it AB. So centering at A, we will make center A, and taking radius equal to AB or more than half of AB, you will draw 2 arcs on both sides of AB. By this way, you will draw 2 arcs. This is called sewing arc. Okay, sewing arc by both sides of AB, and centering at B and taking the same radius. Taking the same radius, we have to draw another 2 arcs. That is, now we will center at B and taking same radius or previous radius, or the radius more than half of AB or AB. We will draw another 2 arcs. Another 2 arcs that meets the previous arc. That means that will meet the previous arcs at suppose C and D. C and D. We give the name C and D. I am repeating it again, centering it A and taking radius equal to AB or more than half of AB. We draw an arc. We draw two arcs on both sides of AB. Again, taking the same radius or same length and centering at B, we draw another two arcs on both sides of AB. The two arcs meet at the point C and D respectively. Now we have to join CD. Let us join C and D. Sorry, we are using eraser. Since we have to draw a straight line, so we will take a straight line. We will take a line here. Okay, so we will join CD. So the line AB has been bisected by the line CD, or CD is the bisector of AB. Now another part says measure the length of the segments. That is, you have to take the measure by using ruler and verify whether they are equal or not. Obviously, they will be equal because we have bisected the line. But in your eyesight, it may not be equal because we didn't use the proper accessories. Okay, we didn't use a compass, we didn't use ruler. That's why there may have some error here. But you have to consider, you have to think that CD and AB, that is CD goes at the midpoint of AB. You have to consider it. Okay, and during in your exam, since you will use a ruler and a compass, in this case, your construction will be perfect. Okay, then it will obviously pass through the midpoint of AB. So this is the process of number 11. Now I want to get some knowledge from you. Dhruvo, please unmute yourself and you will explain the construction. How did we construct it? You will explain it, okay? Giriam.
Okay, sir. First of all, we have drawn a line segment of 6 centimeter by using a ruler, and we have named the 2 points as A and B. And then we have take the radius equal to the half of the AB line segment, and we have drawn two arcs on the two sides of AB. Then again, with the same radius centering at the point B, we again draw two arcs on the both sides and name the two arcs as C and D. And then we join the two arcs with each other, and thus CD bisects AB. And these two lines will be also equal.
Good, very good, excellent, excellent. Inshallah, all of you have also understood this. Very easy. Okay, so let us start next one. I am removing it. If anyone have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will solve the next one because they are easy. Number 12 says, use a ruler to draw a line segment of length 8 centimeters. Very easy to draw it. Use the ruler and compass to divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. You didn't solve it yet. It's first to you. Okay. We are going to start. Okay. I will go to the board to solve it. Okay. We will not use the screen sharing option here. It will be better for you to understand if we go to the board. So you can see there is a whiteboard behind me. We will use the whiteboard to solve it. Okay. So first we will draw an 8 centimeter line, 8 centimeter long line. Then we will bisect it into 4 equal parts. So I am stopping the screen sharing option and going to the board. Okay. So number 12. Number 12. Okay. Number 12, exercise 7. We are going to solve. Number 12. I think all of you see the board. So first we will take a 8 centimeter long line. Suppose it is 8 centimeter. We can give a name. Suppose it is A. A is a 8 centimeter long line. We have to bisect it into 4 equal parts. There are 2 ways, 2 steps, 2 styles, 2 methods to bisect it. Okay. Suppose it is AB, we can give another name. Suppose it is AB is 8 centimeter long line, which will equal to A. Okay, we will Bisect it into 4 equal parts. Method 1.